Per Inside EVs, Volvo Cars has begun production of the all-new Volvo EX90 at its factory in Charleston, South Carolina. This electric three-row SUV, based on the scalable product architecture 2 platform, will hit the market in the second half of 2024. The first EX90, a denim blue model, is destined for a U.S. customer. The Volvo EX90 starts at $76,695, with a $1,295 destination charge. Models under $80,000 qualify for a $7,500 federal tax credit. The EX90 features a dual motor, all-wheel drive powertrain and a 111 kWh battery. Volvo anticipates a driving range of up to 300 miles. The Charleston factory, Volvo's first in the U.S., opened in 2018. It now has an annual capacity of 150,000 units, producing both the S60 sedan and the EX90. The facility has received significant upgrades including a new body shop, paint shop, and battery pack production line. You are listening to UON News.